This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Wednesday, April 22nd. Today really was watching dry paint. I know the term is watching paint dry, but the paint's already dry. And you're just basically looking at the wall. Just to give you a sense, looking at the queues, today's volume was less than the daily average volume. Less than half, than the daily average volume. But there was an open market, so we need to cover it. I do want to also make a quick shout out to the informational list run and written by James Lavish. I just found out that he is recommending me on his Substack. So that's big news for me because the informational list is pretty big. I think it's like closing in on 100,000 subscribers for them. So thank you very much. And that's a big thank you to you, the subscribers, as well. So let's go on to CAR, or Avis Budget Rental. This stock has been on a tear, and it's basically been going under a short squeeze. But today it crashed almost 47% from its peak, from its intraday peak. So you just never know when you get involved with these type of moves. I often call them Eiffel Tower type moves. There's always a down elevator once you get to the tippy top. Taking a quick look at Breath. Before we move on to Breath, I did want to also talk about after hours. If you see futures market down for the Dow, that's mostly because of IBM. IBM is down after earnings about 6%. ServiceNow is down about 14% after earnings after hours. So that's going to impact software names tomorrow. But the bullish dance continues. We had 218 new highs versus 69 new lows, 54% advanced versus 42% declined, 38% of stocks below their 50-day moving average and 49% below their 200-day moving average. There were 27 profitable companies making new session highs on the NASDAQ. Many, or most, were semiconductor names. I'll just give you a few: AMD, Micron, Marvell, Broadcom, On Semiconductor, Texas Instruments, Western Digital is part of the storage, Amcor, Power Integration, Seagate, Integris, Veeco, Teradyne. You get the picture. There were 25 profitable companies in the NYSE making new highs. That was more diversified, including oil and gas names, computer hardware, gambling, asset management. Sector analysis, technology led the way.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.